Breaking news from Huntington Beach. A helicopter went down this afternoon near Pacific Coast Highway and Huntington Street, leaving 5 people injured. The aircraft crashed into trees right in front of the Hyatt Regency. 2 people were rescued from the wreckage, while 3 others on the street were hurt. All 5 victims have been taken to the hospital. Video from the Citizen app shows emergency crews and numerous bystanders at the busy weekend hotspot. Police have cordoned off the area, and our team is on site, continuing to gather details as the story develops.